Hello everyone, in this we are going to learn about the what is meant by alter. Simply what is meant by alter? Alter means change, modify. Alter means changing something is called alter, and in this we have four things: add, modify, rename and drop. We'll see each one in the code. So first of all, let me explain you with an example. Let's take a table with name student, and in this we have student ID and the name of the student, and we have inserted some data into it. Okay, what is meant by alter add? So you have created this table with ID and name. Now you want to add the branch of the student, from which branch the student belongs to. In that cases, you will use add to add a new column or to add a new data. What is meant by modify? Modify means simply you remember the check condition or something, or if you want to set something to a primary key, but when you're creating that table, you didn't use that constraint. Now you want to use it, then what you're going to do with that? You're going to simply, you will use this modify in this alter, and you'll simply write a single line of code. That's it. You don't have to drop that table again, and you don't have to create the table again. You can just simply use this alt plus modify. And what is meant by rename? Here let's think, we have here is ID, but you want to change this to full, like I want to write the full form of the ID as a column name. In that you can rename this. Drop means if you want to delete this branch column, then you can simply use drop to delete this. So let me show you the code. You can understand it clearly. Stay with me till the end, and after seeing once practice. So here, as you can see, I have created a table with student ID and the name. Okay, let's write. First of all, let's take alter add. What is the syntax for this? Syntax is very simple, like just write alter. Which one you're altering? You're altering a table, and after that write the table name, and simply you're going to add something, right? Add and give your condition here. That's it. This is a syntax. Alter table, table name, add that condition. Okay, now let me add something into the students table. Alter table, what's the table name? It's student. And see, here we have ID and name column for the student, but now I want to add the age column for the student. So how can I do that? Just open the bracket. Inside of this, write the name, age, and give it style. That's it, as simple as that. First of all, let's see whether this table is created. Yeah, it's created. Now let's run this. Now the table is altered. How to check whether the table is altered? Let's insert some values into it. Insert into student values. Let's insert something like 1, and name is Alice, and age is, let's give it like 18, 19. Okay, let's insert this, and let's check from student. I hope you remember all this syntax. Yeah, now the column age is added into the table. Now you don't have to drop this table, and you don't have to create it again. If you want to add something, you can simply add like this. Let's add something. Let's add another thing also. Let's add the branch of the student. Table student, and let's add the branch, which branch the student belongs to. Branch, and it's a varchar since it's a character type, and I'm going to give it as 50, and I'm going to close this. That's it. Yeah, now let's refresh this. Let's do something. Yeah, see, now the branch column is created. So this is how you're going to use this alt plus add. Okay, let's not waste the time, and let's go to what is alter plus modify. Where can we use that? Alter plus modify. um, what is the syntax for this? Syntax is alter, same syntax for everything, so observe carefully. Same name, and in the place of add you will write modify, and you will write the condition here what you want to modify. That's it. Let's modify this. What do you want to modify? First of all, let's write this alter table, and the name of the table is student. Okay, modify. And now see, I want the student's age to be greater than 18. Okay, greater than 18, but I didn't give any condition here when I'm adding the age. Now I want to add that constraint, I want to add that condition. You remembered how we'll be checking that, like how many of you remember check constraint? Yeah, that's it. Just write the check constraint here. Check and age greater than 19. That's it, done and dusted. What happened? Check constraint violated. Age should be greater than 18. Wait, something wrong. Let's check. Yeah, maybe because we have inserted the value here, that's why we got an error. Okay, age is greater than 18 and the table is altered. Now let's try to insert a value so that we will be knowing whether we are getting an error or not, whether this constraint is working or not. Bob, and I'm going to give Bob as 17 years old. Let's try to enter. See, we are getting an enter. No. Let's see. Yeah, there is an error because we have a constraint here and it's checking it. Age is not greater than 18, so it's working, so this value is not inserted. Okay, this is how check add modify alter modify will work. And the next one that we are having is alter plus rename. Okay, let's not waste the time and let's continue. Alter table, syntax is same, just write student and be careful here, rename. We have given, see, in this table we have a branch column, right? So I want to change this branch to department. So after writing rename you have to write column. Okay, column, and after that you have to write the present name of the column to change it to new name. Okay, this is the table name. Like I'll write the syntax first. Table name, syntax is alter table name, after rename write column, After that present name, write to in the middle and write the new name. This is the syntax. Okay, let's do something with this. In the place of table name, what's the table name that we have here? Student. Rename and write the present name, and we have changed it to full name. See here, we're getting as full name. This is where we use rename. And next one is you want to drop a column. How to drop it? Alter plus drop. Let's write this alter table student. One thing you have to observe is that in this rename and in this drop we are having column also side of it. See the syntax. Okay, here I'm not writing the syntax, don't get confused. Column you have to write, but in modify and add you don't have to write column. Let's drop the age column and let's run this. Dropped. Okay, I hope you understood how to drop a command, how to rename it, and how to modify and how to add it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.